Now let's see that how you can recover your Telegram account. The first method is simply log in again using your phone number. This is the best and most working way to recover your Telegram account. You can enter your phone number and press the continue button. An OTP will again be sent to your phone number and your account will be recovered. But if this thing didn't work, you have to move to the method number 2, which is you have to go to Google and type in here Telegram support and open the very first page which appears up, which is the official Telegram supports page. Here you have to enter up your email address where the Telegram support will contact you, and here in the description box you have to copy paste the exact same thing I am typing, which is hi. I woke up this morning and my Telegram account was logged out. I'm sure that it has been hacked. You can check everything to confirm that the account created on this phone number is my own Telegram account. Kindly help me to recover it back. Waiting for your favorable response and thanks. After that, type in your email and phone number and hopefully they will contact you within 48 hours and help you to recover your Telegram account.